tried every override code, but I can't reset it. A hacker has completely locked Mathhattan's March luck meter at 0%.
Until we find out who did this and get them to reverse it, everyone is going to keep having a misfortunate March.
The chaos in Mathhattan is getting worse, and our investigation just got a whole lot bigger. The suspect list is growing, and we need to find the hacker fast. Could it be Kevin the Kraken, the bored IT guy who just smashes buttons? Is it Trevor the troll, laughing under his Wi-Fi bridge as he watches the city trip and fall? Maybe it's Glitch, the gremlin, who cut right through the Luck server main power cables just for fun. Or is it Barnaby the boogeyman, a grumpy shadow creature jealous of the leprechauns who wants to cover the whole city in gloom? The suspects are quirky, the motives are strange, and until we find the hacker, we are all doomed to absolutely zero probability of good fortune this March. Detective, Mathhattan needs you. Grab your gear, we have a hacker to catch.